Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Friday, June 5th, an A-Day here in 2020 to end up 1 week away from our project, and that's where we're at. Today is Friday. The project is due next Friday. Making a point of saying that all the time. We are 7 days away, all right? And just some quick notes before we make this an open session. It is not due before class. It is not due immediately after class. It is going to be due at the end of the day on Friday. So you've got till midnight on Friday of next week in order to get this wrapped and in. My encouragement to you guys would be to put yourself in a position where come Monday, all right, you are probably about at least halfway to 3/4 of the way through obtaining all your footage, all right, on the verge of starting an edit. If you're sitting there Monday with no interviews done, B-roll hasn't been found or shot yet, you really got to step it up, all right? Just because we know that a lot of other classwork is going to be due soon. You guys are returning some materials on Monday the 15th. All right, this is a project that I cannot accept late, so we want to make sure that we are on top of things between now and next week. So this session, of course, is here for some production assistance and help. All right, if you need anything, have questions, please come so I can address them a little bit more personally, a little bit more specifically than through an email. Of course, if you do need to reach out outside of class time, I'm available for you as well. All right, so for the duration of today's session, I'm going to have my mic down until there's some activity in the chat. If you have a question, throw it in there so I can bring my mic up and address it, go over some stuff or show you some things on my desktop or my screen. And if, much like sessions in the past, if there's no activity, no one's coming, I'm going to be here for about half the class then. So if there's no one chatting, no one needing help, all right, I'm going to bring down the stream at 12:30, and I will be accessible the remainder of the day through email. All right, I got tons of work, so it's not as if I'll be going anywhere. But if you do need help in the future, please make sure, of course, come to class on time. All right, even if it's to say, hey, Mr. Leonard, I'm going to edit while you are, there for help. Let me know so I don't think that no one's here and I shut things down halfway through. All right, so around 11:25, 11:30, we'll take a look and see where we're at as a group, and go from there. So if you need anything, let me know in the chat. I'm going to bring my mic down now and throw a comment in there. All right, and that's it. So if you're getting work done for me, great, I'm here. If you're getting work done for other classes so that you are free to do this project a little bit more openly later in the day, also fine. Let me know what's going on and how I can help you. Hey, Caitlin, welcome. Is there anything I can help you with or you need help with for your project today? Or any questions you have on anything? These are designated as help sesh. So, if there's anything I can help you with, let me know. Oh my God. Okay, so far, where are you at? What do you have done? I had mentioned at the start of class that a good benchmark to be come Monday would be to have most of your B-roll acquired and uploaded and hopefully at least one interview done. You kind of want to make sure you're heading into the start of next week on the verge of being able to edit. Okay, that goes there. Oops. Sorry, I'm also getting caught up on late assignments for people as well. So some treatments just trickling in now. Cool. I think heading into the weekend, you're in a good spot, which means if you between now and the start of next week, you're able to find a little bit more B-roll or shoot some things. I think the weather's supposed to be nice. Like if you're outside or spending time with family, those could be good things. And then that other interview, yeah, that's the one that you're going to want to make sure you figure out at least when you're going to do that, right? That way, okay, I don't have it yet, but if I'm doing it Tuesday night, then you kind of know that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are the days that you're going to have to really hammer into that edit. So cool. Thank you for the update. Caitlin, I don't want to keep you. This is, if you have questions or need help, I'll be here probably another 25 ish minutes. But if you got stuff to take care of for other classes or you want to go start work on this, by all means, go for it. You too, Caitlin. Thanks. I hope you enjoy. Ashley's here. Hi, hello. Thanks for checking in. Um, Today's just a production assistance if we need help with things, questions, answers, troubleshooting, roadblocks. That's what this session is all about. Filming an interview this weekend. Okay. One interview or both interviews, or do you already have one interview? I'm trying to I can jump into your treatment here. Let's see. This is the school related one, right? College and stuff. Okay. So you're interviewing yourself or you're interviewing mom this weekend? What I've been telling people is that hopefully, like, come Monday, you should be in a spot where you're like 75% of your footage is done. That's enough to go in and start trimming some things and piecing out an edit, but you want to make sure that, like, Monday, Tuesday of next week, maybe trickling in the Wednesday, you're wrapping up your interviews and any other B-roll you want to shoot or locate and find so that you can use the end of that week to move through and edit. Both. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Then you are in a great spot, and that's really excellent to hear. And I'm excited to watch this. I think your focus is really cool because you don't hear a lot of people talking about this. Well, I don't hear a lot of students talking about it in a way that they want to explore in a deeper meaning. So I think this is really, really cool to see. All right, that's awesome. You're in good shape then. I appreciate you checking in. Feel free to stay if you want, but you don't have to if you got other work to take care of or want to call it an early Friday. You're ahead of the game, it looks like. So just a reminder that it is due a week from today, and it's not due at the end of class. You have until the end of the night Friday. If you turn it in at midnight, perfectly fine. But we want to make sure it's in by then. Because I know you're going to be getting your Chromebook back on Monday, which means you're done. But yeah, anything late after Friday is going to be I can't take. I'm trying to get everyone to make sure that it's in on time because I will not be able to grade outside of that weekend with some school stuff going on. So. Most of my brole put together. All right, so that wait, I hope we. Is it Anthony? Let me take a look. Thanks, Ashley. You too. Enjoy. Hopefully the weather holds out and we get some nice days. But enjoy your weekend. All right, gang, we've had little to no chat activity outside of a few check-ins, and so I am going to conclude the stream for today. Please feel free to reach out if you do have any questions, concerns, issues, or hiccups between now and when we meet next Thursday. With the understanding, of course, that over the weekend I'm just not near my computer as much, so it might be a little bit longer between responses. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy the time. Try and aim for about 75% completion of the project by Monday. That'll make the rest of the week much easier for you. All right, I will talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Talk to you later.